Hey guys, Jason here for TCG Alerts. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that things are looking up in the crypto universe. Ethereum is doing well, and it is locked in battle with XRP for second place in market cap, and things are looking like they might be turning around for crypto in general. And what that means for alerts is we're switching into bull mode, and we need to adjust our alerts and our settings to better utilize them for bull markets. So instead of trading sideways, we're trading up, and it looks good. So let's take a look at some of those alert settings and configurations and see if we can be utilizing our alert system for better trades. So first I want to look at Ripple XRP USD on Bitfinex. This one is the interesting one. Ripple has seen quite a bit of bullish action over the past few days, and it's really catching the attention of a lot of people and a lot of traders. And I'm hearing a lot of clients of mine moving money from brokerage accounts and stocks we've been trading over the past since January into crypto. And when that happens, it means that more people are doing it, more money flowing in means more investing, and the bull market might be returning. It's a little early to tell, of course, but that's a good sign. It's a positive sign. So Ripple making big moves. What are we looking for on the alert system to find these bull moves? First of all, in order for prices to stop falling, go sideways and move up, we need to see accumulation. What that means is volume, and it means sideways trading instead of going up or down. If we look at Ripple on the 15-minute time frame, historically we're seeing a lot of sideways action, and we're seeing abnormal volume alerts tick off. What that says to me is that people are accumulating. There's been a lot of support building at these levels, and we're seeing these abnormal volumes kick off as people are doing these big accumulations. Now at 12 o'clock on whatever day this was, looks like the 20th, Thursday, we start to see bigger moves. Now let's zoom in a little bit, and we see we get an abnormal volume, and behind the blue bar here, which is our overbought indicator, that's when we have our first burst of movement, there is another abnormal volume. We start to go sideways, we see more accumulation, and then we get another move up on abnormal volume. This is moves coming in and then people reacting and noticing and buying in to follow that initial run. We get a overbought 15-minute time frame, we consolidate sideways for a little while. Again, we get another overbought, we jump up a little bit, and we go sideways. What's key here is that there's so much accumulation, and we're getting these rapid movements because people are buying and there's nothing on the ask left. People are hitting that market buy, and just like they used to, they're making that price run quickly. So abnormal volume, overbought indicators, showing you consolidation, have been consistent in the last few days for finding that breakout and then finding that consolidation. Now, who else has been interesting? Ethereum on the 15-minute time frame. Let's check that out. So Ethereum has been battling XRP for this second place position on market cap, and things have been very interesting as well. These bottoms and these quick flushes down have been caught with abnormal volume, 15-minute time frame, sideways accumulation. We're seeing more abnormal volumes kick off on Ethereum, just like we are on XRP, because people are accumulating. We get overbought indicators have been pretty effective on finding these periods of consolidation, and these 15-minute overbought, when you see this alert come in, it means that a run has happened. We're high RSI, people are interested, and this is when you look on the chart to see if you can find an entry opportunity on a bull flag, a pennant, or an equilibrium, which is a pennant, and look for continuation following that. So far, we're seeing very healthy moves on Ethereum, and I am getting excited about everything in general. Let's check out Bitcoin USD on Coinbase. Let's turn off our price shears. And again, look at this, sideways, accumulation, overbought consolidation on a smaller time frame, so 2-3 minutes. This is where you're getting your entries. You're seeing big volume coming in all over the place, and things are looking very nice. On the larger time frames, we're going to be looking for equilibriums. So when you're looking at your alerts for the bull market, you want to be using inside bars on the hourly and 4-hour time frames. We're going to be using MACD alerts on the hour and 4-hour time frames, as well as TCG crosses. Price shears on the 15-minute time frame to catch the quick breakouts, and abnormal volumes on the 15 and 30 to help you catch both the initial breakout accumulation that happens rapidly before the breakout, as well as the volume climax that happens after the initial run of that breakout. So those are the key indicators that you can use to help find these great setups on the bull markets. And we are going to be fine-tuning these as we go. We're adding more alerts. We've got about 15 different alert types on the go that we are in development for. The next one coming out of the gate, hopefully in the next week or two, is going to be an equilibrium alert that's going to find you these beautiful equilibrium setups that have been so valuable in trading cryptocurrency. They were the go-to pattern for the run-up in October to January. They have been excellent throughout. We use them in all sorts of technical analysis, and now we're going to have an alert to show you when these equilibriums are showing up. So I'm excited to have that one. I will do a video documenting it and explaining how it works. And I also want to point out that if you guys are not using the bot alert, you should be using that one as well. What this does is it scans for institutional buying. On Ripple, it's this type of alert that's going to show you when institutions are using algorithmic buying to snatch up and accumulate particular cryptocurrencies. And what it does is it looks for specific instances of buying X amount of whatever coin at specific intervals. Because in only one case are you going to be buying 537.2 Ripple exactly 13.34 seconds apart. And that is what we're looking for. And we see that. We see that type of pattern being purchased in iterations of 5, 10, 15, 30 times. So every 13 point whatever seconds, you're seeing the same amount of cryptocurrency being bought. That's an algorithm. It's very interesting. It's very powerful to have that information in your hands to know that, yes, big institutions are scooping up Ripple or Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever. So get that bot alert as well as all of those other coins, all of those other alerts that I mentioned for trading in bull markets. Good luck. Thank you very much. As always, if you have any feedback, positive, negative, whatever, send it my way. We're trying to make this the absolute best tool for cryptocurrency trading and alerts. So feedback is always welcome. Have a good day, guys.